Hello guys, hope you are leading a healthy life. So I have taken a concept of design of brakes. So in this topic I have taken single shoe block brake and one example from the single shoe block brake. Let's go through it. As we have example, a single shoe block brake with 300 mm dia as shown in figure is used to transmit a torque of 75 Newton meter, and the coefficient friction between drum and friction lining is 0.35. The pressure on the block is uniform. Calculate the force P. Calculate the force P. The applied force we have to find in this question. So before proceeding, let's go through some basic understanding of block brake. Here you can see we have a block and we have a shoe. When both come in contact with each other, there is a friction force will generate between the block and the shoe. So if we consider that the block is rotating clockwise, then the friction force will generate on the resisting force will be on the opposite to the rotation of block. So but in the shoe it will be in the direction of rotation of block Fr. Okay, so here we have example. So let's solve this example. Let's check what is given to us. We have given a drum dia that is 300 mm, block dia of 300 mm, and friction coefficient we have given 0.35. Okay, now the one thing is more, the distribution of force is like this. In the center there will be a maximum pressure and it's spread through the outside with decrement. So the maximum pressure force we have at the center, so we have to design considering the center point. So here we have, I am taking the shoe portion. Suppose this drum is rotating at clockwise, so the friction force, resisting force on the side of block shoe will be Fr in the same direction. The normal force acting on the shoe is N, and we can take this as a mu N. Resistance force is equal to mu N. Now here we have a rotating drum, so we have to convert all the forces into a torque. Let's start it. The applied force is P. We have to take all the forces with respect to this pivoted point. So P into 450, because the distance is 250 plus 200 plus the resistance force into perpendicular distance, which is from the point of contact to the pivoted point, that is 50 mm. Fr into 50 is equal to N into 200. So here we can write it as a P into 450 equal to 200 minus 50 into Fr, we can write it as a mu N 0.3, and I am taking common. And as you know, we have a given torque of 75 Newton meter. TF is equal to 75 Newton meter, which is equal to Fr into R. So here we can find the value of FR is equal to 75 divided by 0.15 Newton meter, which will be equal to 500 Newton. 500 Newton. So FR we know that is equal to mu into N, which is equal to 500, and from here we can easily find the value of N, 500 divided by 0.35. Now we can put this value of N into this equation. P into 450 is equal to 200 minus 50 into 0.35 into 500 divided by 0.35. Now after calculation we can reach to a solution, that is the applied pressure force is equal to 579.36 Newton. So here is our answer. So we can solve this type of problem with this method.